This is Guru Prasann from 3D Fully Design. 3D Fully Design wishes you all a happy Valentine's Day. Let's explore this heart-shaped cake mold in 3D. The full material of construction is aluminium, weaving more pictures of the cake mold. Overall dimensions in mm, made out of aluminium sheet 0.8 thick and 3 dia single support wire. The real manufacturer of this aluminium heart-shaped cake mold is VIGNESH SHEETMETAL Works, Mangalore. Find Google Map in the description. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real and actual pic. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. Let's quickly walk through step by step how this model is built. First and foremost, created 3 new reference planes. First is for full height of 65 mm. This is overall length by width sketch 246 by 238. This is offset sketch and a point for reference. A heart-shaped sketch with lines and arcs for top support wire. Solidifying single top support wire dia 3 mm, which is in heart shape. Sketched and formed single main aluminium sheet metal 0.8 mm thick. Made all around bends on top edge of sheet metal to get lock with the top support wire. Added locking edge flange to the main sheet metal on open edge. Made all around bends on bottom edges of the main metal to lock with the base flat sheet metal. Sketch for the base flat sheet metal on the exact outer edges. Solidified base flat sheet metal with 0.8 mm thick. Made all around curled bends for base flat metal for interlocking. Aluminium 1060 alloy, final weight 230 grams. Also you can see the measurement on a weighing scale. Weaving the final exploded weave. Finally realistic 3D rendered images. This cake mold was manufactured by VIGNESH SHEETMETAL Works, Mangalore.